candle and a mask. It might be fake. Now let's uncover the mystery. I had a feeling this would happen. This is all done under safety regulations.
Fee, why do you think it is fake?
We have Daddy with the fire hydrant on the other side. Hello guys, so recently there's been this video that's blowing up all over the internet where they use a candle and a mask to make a hot air balloon and it will fly. So I'm pretty sure that it might be fake, but let's see whether it's real or fake. Okay, so to get started we need a candle, a surgical mask, some sellotape and scissors. Okay. Now let's uncover the mystery of the mask hot air balloon. Firstly, we'll bend the mask into like a cup shape. Looks like a parachute. Then we have to sellotape the ends of the mask onto the candle. The hardest thing in the world is finding where this sellotape end is. I'm going to sellotape it like so. What is sellotape made of, Ma?
Don't ask so much of
No, I'm asking because I want to know that if it burns.
It's under only.
I mean under.
It's under the candle. How can it burn?
I put it in such a way that it touched the candle. Look good. It's not flat, Lemma. It should be flat. Suppose it flies. I don't know how they hold. Just fell upside down. Rip. From the mask. Something stronger than that. We need to do this again.
What, Jeffy?
We need to do this again.
அது ரெண்டு ஸ்லாண்ட் இல்லாம
Sellotaping.
சென்டர் பீஸ்ல வச்சு ஓட்ற
Let's
மாதிரி.
just break the wick. Nope, I almost broke it. Theoretically, எல்லா நாலேஜும் இருந்தாலும் ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக ஏதாவது பண்ண தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்.
So that's why we are trying this out practical. Le Jeffy? பேலன்ஸ்டா ரெண்டு சைடும் ஆடாம போடணும். சென்டர் ஆஃப் இது வச்சிட்டு
அதான் நான் ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன்.
இந்த சைடு ஈக்குவல் லென்த், அந்த சைடு ஈக்குவல் லென்த்.
ஸ்கேல் கொண்டு வரவா?
ஸ்கேல் குட் ஐடியா தான்.
இந்த சைடு எவ்வளோ எடுக்கலையோ அவ்வளோ தூரத்துக்கு.
யூஸ் திஸ் பீஸ் இட்செல்ஃப்.
அதுலேயே அதையே யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல.
அதை மேலே போட முடியாதுமா. ஸோ நான் கட் பண்ணிட்டு அங்கே போட்டுருக்கேன். We'll add another strip of tape. Okay, and now our candle should be secure. So if it does fly, it seems pretty level to me. It will level itself out if it flies. Now let's light the candle and hope we don't burn our mask. Where's the light? Where's the matchbox?
ஜெஃபி நீ பிக்சர் அதை பார்த்துரு.
Pickle.
Please don't burn it.
ஆமாம், இங்கே வர மாஸ்க் ஷார்ட்டேஜ். நாங்கள் மாஸ்க் வச்சு இது செஞ்சுட்ருக்கோம்.
ஃபயர் ஃபயர். அந்த டவல் எடு.
ஓகே, இட்ஸ் காட் அண்ட் ஃபயர்.
Lift it up.
வெயிட் சஸ்பென்ஸ் பில்டு பண்ணோம்ல. ஓகே, இட்ஸ் காட் ஃபயர். நவ் லெட்ஸ் ஹோல்ட் இட் அப். I don't see much happening. It's supposed. What is happening? Oh I had a feeling this would happen. Do you know what's happening? Look, take the top of the mask.
It's burning. Lift.
Fly. Fly.
ஏய் மாஸ்க் மேல லிஃப்ட் பண்ணி விடுடா
Ma,
பாரு.
I told you it's fake.
அப்படி பண்ணு.
I can't hold it. My fingers are getting warm.
It's metal la adunala.
No matter what it is, it won't. This much the candlelight does not generate enough heat to make it fly.
No, burn the mask.
Leave.
Because either the fire will go or the mask will go.
Fire will not.
Jeffy, மேல
Wood. It's wood.
I am. It's not wood.
மேல ஃப்ளை பண்ணு தூக்கு.
Can you see how it's flying? I'm just using this to make sure I don't burn the house. It's actually flying.
ஏய் ஆட்டாத இரு. The super wide experiment. The super hot air balloon experiment. ஏய் பண்ணாதடா.
அத பண்ணுங்கம்மா.
Hot air balloon ஓட்ட ஒண்ணா மேல போகுமா?
ஆமா முடிஞ்சு கதை ஆஃப் பண்ணிடு ப்ளோ பண்ணிடு. ப்ளோ பண்ணுடா அது ஓட்டவே. ஏய்
மாஸ்க் ஃபயர்.
It looks so satisfying.
அதனால ஃபயர்ல வச்சு விளையாடுவாங்களா? What happened to your experiment, Jeffy?
This is technically not my experiment,
Mask
and hence
burnt.
I have proved that this is fake. This is not physically possible. Please do not try this at home, even if you have a spare mask.
சொல்லு.
Please do not try this at home, even if you have a spare mask. This is all done under safety regulations. Here Joel standing nearby with a water bucket.
Not
Always
water bucket,
scientific.
towel.
With a towel, okay?
Wet towel.
Wet towel, wet towel. He's standing there with a wet towel. We have daddy with a fire hydrant on the other side. So it's all very, very safe, okay? And also wearing invisible gas masks so that the toxic fumes don't go into our noses. So it's all in a very safe scenario, okay? Very lab and clinically tested. So please don't try this at home, okay? But I've showed to you that this is fake. No, fire ஆனச்சு எவ்வளோ நாள் ஆச்சு.
சரி பபாய் சொல்லிடு.
Bye. This is Chemistry Jeffrey signing off.
Jeffy, why do you think it is fake, this experiment is?
Well, okay, based on my scientific analysis, I can say that the mask got burnt.
Okay.
But in actuality, basically it's in the concept of hot air balloon. This should have worked when you think about it logically, but we did not have enough flame first of all. Basically how a hot air balloon works is, you have this, you see how big the balloon is?
Yes.
It's so big, and then we have a high flame under it. So the flame produces hot air, and you know that hot things move up and cool things come down. So when the hot air moves up, it will take the balloon with it, and so it will fly. However, I don't know why this happened. Maybe it's because this is already has very, very minute holes in it. So the hot air could have just gone through the holes, and the flame did not produce enough hot air to make it elevate, to cancel out the weight of the candle and the mask to make it fly. So this is the analysis on why this experiment did not work. But thankfully I have already predicted so it will not work. So in the prediction I am correct. So even though it is wrong, I am right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.